Hello friends! Today we will learn about the beautiful planet, the Earth. Don't skip the video, watch the whole video, you will learn a lot about Earth. Let's go!
Welcome to planet Earth, the most incredible place we know. Earth is special because it is the only planet we know of that supports life. It is filled with plants, animals, and people like you. Earth is made up of 7 large pieces of land called continents. Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Each continent is unique and full of life. About 70% of our planet is covered by oceans, home to amazing sea creatures. There are 5 oceans: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic. Oceans help regulate Earth's temperature and are crucial to life. On land, we have tall mountains like Mount Everest reaching into the sky. We also have vast deserts that might seem empty but are full of life, like camels and cacti that thrive in the heat. Earth's landscapes are diverse and beautiful, from forests to oceans and mountains to deserts. It is a one-of-a-kind planet, and it is up to us to take care of it so it remains full of life and wonder for generations to come. Have you ever wondered what is beneath your feet? Earth is not just a solid ball. It is made up of different layers, each serving a unique purpose. Let us explore them. The outermost layer is the crust, where we live. It is like the Earth's skin, made of rocks and soil, and it is where all life exists. Beneath the crust is the mantle, a thick layer of hot, slow-moving rock. The mantle's movement causes the crust to shift, creating mountains and earthquakes. Next is the outer core, made of molten metal. This very hot liquid is responsible for the Earth's magnetic field. At the center is the inner core, made of solid metal. Even though it is the hottest layer, it stays solid because of the immense pressure. These layers work together to keep Earth active. The movement of the mantle and core helps shape the crust, forming mountains and causing earthquakes. So, beneath your feet, Earth's layers are always at work. Water is essential for life on Earth. Every living thing needs water to survive. It is used for drinking, growing food, and keeping everything clean. Our planet is covered in different types of water bodies. The biggest are the oceans, which are salty and cover 70% of the Earth's surface. Oceans help control the Earth's climate and are home to countless sea creatures. Rivers are long, flowing bodies of fresh water that move across the land, starting at the mountains and ending in the oceans. Rivers provide water for drinking and farming, creating homes for many animals. Lakes are bodies of fresh water surrounded by land. They do not flow like rivers and are often great places for wildlife and fun activities, like swimming and fishing. All these water bodies are connected through the water cycle. The sun heats water into vapor, which forms clouds that release rain or snow, returning water to rivers, lakes, and oceans to start the cycle again. Water is always moving and being recycled, helping keep our planet full of life. The air around you is something you cannot see, but it is always there, and it is super important. The air we breathe is part of Earth's atmosphere, a blanket of gases that surrounds our planet. The atmosphere has different layers, each with an important job. The troposphere is the lowest layer. It is where we live, breathe, and experience weather. Above it is the stratosphere, which contains the ozone layer that protects us from the sun's harmful rays. Air is essential for life. Every breath we take fills our lungs with oxygen, which we need to stay alive. Air also creates weather, with winds and clouds bringing rain or snow. Plus, the atmosphere shields us from the sun's dangerous ultraviolet rays, making it safe for life on Earth. So, whenever you step outside, remember how amazing the atmosphere is. It gives us the air we need to live, helps create the weather we experience every day, and keeps us safe from the sun's powerful rays. Why do you think the weather changes? It is all about how the sun, air, and water work together. The sun heats the Earth unevenly, making the air move and create wind. When the sun heats water, it turns into vapor, forming clouds that can bring rain or snow, leading to various weather patterns. What about the seasons, spring, summer, fall, and winter? The Earth's seasons are caused by the tilt of the Earth's axis. As the Earth orbits the Sun, different parts get more or less sunlight. When the part of the Earth you live in is tilted towards the Sun, it is summer with longer days and warmer weather. When it is tilted away, it is winter with shorter days and colder weather. Spring and fall bring milder weather. These changing seasons affect all life on Earth. In spring, flowers bloom and animals become active. Summer is a time for growth, fall brings cooler weather, and winter is a time for rest. The sun, air, water, and Earth's tilt work together to keep our planet full of life. Earth is full of life, from plants and animals to tiny microorganisms. This variety is called biodiversity. It is what makes our planet so colorful and full of different species, each playing an important role in nature. Different plants and animals live in different habitats, which are like their homes. For example, forests are full of trees, animals, and plants. Deserts are hot and dry but still full of life, like cacti that store water and camels that can go days without drinking. Oceans cover most of Earth's surface and are home to creatures, from tiny fish to giant whales. Grasslands are wide open spaces where animals like zebras and elephants roam. Polar regions are cold and icy, but animals like polar bears and penguins have adapted to live there. Each habitat is unique, and the plants and animals that live there are especially suited to survive in their environments. Biodiversity is important because all these species and habitats work together to keep Earth healthy. By protecting these habitats, we help ensure that life on Earth continues to thrive. Did you know that the Earth's surface is always changing? Some changes happen naturally, while others are caused by humans. One natural process that changes the Earth is erosion. Wind, water, and ice wear away rocks and soil over time, creating valleys, canyons, and other landforms. For example, the Grand Canyon was formed by a river slowly eroding the rock. Volcanic eruptions also change the Earth. When a volcano erupts, lava flows out and cools, forming new land, like the islands of Hawaii. Earthquakes happen when the Earth's crust suddenly shifts, causing the ground to shake and sometimes creating new cracks or faults. Humans change the Earth's surface too. When we build cities, we flatten land, cut down trees, and construct buildings and roads. Farming changes the land by clearing forests, plowing fields, and mining digs deep into the earth to find resources. While these activities help us live, they can also harm the environment. That is why it is important to find ways to change the Earth more carefully. Where does the Earth fit into space? Earth is part of the solar system, a group of planets that orbit the Sun. The Sun is at the center of our solar system. It is a giant, glowing ball that provides light and heat, making life on Earth possible. Earth is the third planet from the Sun in just the right spot. It is close enough to be warm, but not too hot. It takes Earth about 365 days to orbit the Sun. Earth also has a companion, the Moon, which orbits around us every 28 days. The Moon is smaller than Earth, but it has a big impact, especially on the tides. Tides are the rise and fall of ocean water levels. They happen because of the Moon's gravity pulling on Earth's oceans. This creates high tides where the pull is strongest and low tides elsewhere. So remember, the Moon is not just a pretty sight. It also helps control our oceans. Together, the Sun, Moon, and Earth create a beautiful system in space. Earth is our home, and it is our job to take care of it. This is called environmental stewardship, doing our part to keep the planet clean, healthy, and beautiful. One way to care for Earth is by reducing waste. Instead of using things once and throwing them away, opt for reusable alternatives. For example, bring a reusable water bottle or pack your lunch in a reusable container. Recycling is another way to help. When you recycle paper, plastic, and metal, they get turned into new products instead of ending up in the trash, saving resources and energy. Conserving resources is also key to taking care of our planet. This means using water and energy wisely, so we do not waste them. Turning off lights when you leave a room, or turning off the tap while brushing your teeth, can make a big difference. By taking simple everyday actions, like saving water, planting trees, picking up litter, Using less plastic and recycling, we can help protect our planet by keeping it clean and healthy. Being good stewards of the Earth is a shared responsibility. As we think about the future, it is important to take care of Earth, not just for us, but for all the generations to come. By protecting our planet today, we can keep it healthy and beautiful for the kids, animals, and plants of tomorrow. The good news is that everyone can make a difference, no matter how young or old. Simple actions like recycling, saving water, and planting trees might seem small, but they add up when many people do them together. You can also help by learning about the environment and sharing what you know. Talk to your friends and family about why it is important to care for the Earth. You could even start a project at school, like a garden or a recycling program, to get others involved. The future of our planet depends on all of us working together. By taking care of the Earth now, we are making sure it will be a wonderful place to live for generations to come. With hope and action, we can create a brighter future for our planet.
I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Next video will coming soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon so you never miss the update. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.